Hey guys, what's up? Today we are talking about IFRS. Okay, so let's get started. IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. Basically, these are standards given for financial reporting. IFRS sets common rules so that financial statements can be consistent, transparent, and comparable around the world. So, what are financial statements? Financial statements are the statements that you prepare for showing the financial position of the company. These standards are issued by the International Accounting Standards Board, which is abbreviated as IASB. So, why do we do that? Why do we need to have a format, a structure for our financial reportings? They were established to create a common accounting language so that businesses and their financial statements can be consistent and reliable from company to company and country to country. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Bye guys.